I woke up like this. Guys, welcome back to my channel. This video, we're doing soap brow. Yes, this one here. How I achieve this eyebrows. Make sure that you use the clear one. So, babasain natin to, lalagyan natin ng tubig. We have to paste our brow hair. Itim natin siya. So, kailangan natin itim para siya, steady lang siya dyan. So, umpisahan natin. Pero bago tayo mag-umpisa, kailangan natin ng hugasan natin yung ating kamay bago natin i-touch natin yung skin natin kasi sa ngayon, you know, pandemic guys. So, I don't know how long this one will gonna go on. Kailangan yung hygiene natin, dudublahin natin, no? Kasi para lahat tayo ay safe. Hindi naman natin maiwasan na talagang yung mga ganitong bagay ay nangyayari. Pero at least, kailangan tayo gumawa rin ng sarili nating self-care para iwas sakit. Ingat-ingat na lang din. Sana ay ito matapos na rin para naman maging masaya na lahat, no? At mabisita na rin natin yung ating mga family na hindi natin na bisita. So guys, at the moment I have my moisturizer on, but kailangan ko ng yung sunscreen natin ay napaka-importante guys. Always wear sunscreen. So let's close on personal. I will show you my skin. See, that's my pigment there. This is my skin without anything. So done our sunscreen. Now let's start our brows. First, you need some water. Basahin nyo lang siya, yung enough lang siya, no? And then you also need this one, spoolie. Kahit may luma kayong yung sa mascara nyo, hugasan nyo lang. Tapos, i-ano nyo lang siya hanggat sa makuha nyo yung para siyang yung mamuo-muo na siya para magiging gel paste. So ayan. Dapat ganyan siya. Ayan. Once you have that, now it's time to tame your brows. Can you see that guys? Ayan. 'Di ba? Ganyan na siya, no? Ganyan na siya, no? So, ipapilit lang na inyong hair. I-team up nyo ba para hindi siya samok kaayo. Tapos ano nyo lang guys, i-clean up nyo lang, ganyan lang. Can you see, ano siya, yung parang nakataas lahat, yung brows nyo. Dapat ganyan lang yung ano nyo. Tapos, so kailangan lang natin lagyan ng outline So as you can see, I've done already the other one. So I'm going to show you how to fill the end after you tame your brow. So first you need a eyebrow pencil that matches your hair color. I used dark brown instead of black para hindi siya masyadong harsh. By the way, disclaimer lang ha, I'm not a makeup artist. So i-outline natin, no? I-outline natin yung ating soap brow. By the way, this is not going anywhere after natin siya sinabon. Kahit humangin yan, nandito lang yan siya. Hindi yan siya magigiba. Pwera na lang kung bagyuhin siguro. So, i-outline natin yung desire nyo na hugis ng inyong kilay. I-ano nyo lang. Right. Yan. So, just create kung anong hugis ng kilay na gusto nyo. Kumbaga, ibagay-bagayan nyo rin yung hugis ng mata nyo. Ako kasi, yung mata ko, super ano siya, super malalim. Deep-set yung mata ko. Kaya, kapag matulis yung kilay ko, yung parang akala mo lapis na lang drawing, hindi bagay sa akin. maging lalo siyang maging malalim yung dating ng aking mata. Kaya kailangan ko ng para siyang ano, yung natural bushy brow. Now that we achieve yung outline ng ating brow, make sure that you have some cotton buds to tidy the edges para hindi siya masyadong harsh. I think I'm happy with that one. Okay, so kita nyo yung outline natin. Tapos kailangan natin i-filled in yung parang mga spars. Di, kita mo may mga spars pa siya. I-filled in natin yan, don't you worry. I have here Anastasia brow powder. Any brow powder you have will do. Kahit anong gamit nyo. So I have like a different color here. I-filled in lang natin yan siya. You know? Can you see that, guys? Really easy. Matagal lang siya tingnan kasi ano nagsasalita ako habang binivideo. But if you're not doing anything, sandali lang to, guys. Hindi siya ganun katagal. Kasi nag-outline lang tayo, sinasabon lang natin. So, I've used that one, the lighter one on the front. Then now I have to use the darker one here. Nakatingin ako dito kasi andito yung salamin eh. So, use the darker color to fill in the rest of your brow. Yan. Hindi pa siya masyadong tidy, no? Ba, ita-tidy natin siya mamaya. See? Kung nakita nyo yung YouTube profile ko, ito yung look ng eyebrows ko sa profile ng YouTube ko. At ito rin yung suot kong damit. Tapos i-blend nyo na rin yung harsh line ng yung eyebrows. I'm gonna use this one to tidy the harsh line para ma-blend yung brow natin. No? Madali lang to guys kung hindi, kasi nagbe-video ako kaya matagal siya. But it less than probably 10 minutes I get ready to do this. So i-blend lang natin yung harsh line para hindi siya masyadong naka-drawing talaga. So guys, this is the finished look. This is how I get ready when I go out with my friends, brunch. See, parang wala lang, di ba? Which is, I woke up like this. So, the main point natin is, yung eyebrows lang natin talaga. Sa totoo lang guys, we wear masks all the time. So this is it. So it won't really stick to the face mask, even the lipsticks as well. You know, simple lang siya. So pang matagalan na yan kahit ganyan kasi ano lang siya stain. So guys, see you on my next video. Right now, I can't tell you when exactly time and days my uploading schedule. At the moment, I'm just gonna enjoy filming video and randomly just upload whenever I can. So hope you guys enjoy this a little bit glam with me how I do my eyebrows. See you guys and stay fabulous and happy. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.